show you how a paper change color. We'll need a pH paper. You can test for pH 1 to pH 14. Here's 4 colors. And here's the pineapple, water, and here's the coffee. And the bayam, which is a vegetable, and a hand juice press. Lemon in the last video. Here's the tomato. Here's the lime. Orange. We'll put one of the pH paper inside the plain water for 1 second and we compare it in the color chart. It's pH 7. We'll test the pH of the coffee. This is the unsweetened coffee. After 3 seconds, we'll read this pH paper is pH 6. Next, we grab the orange and we cut it into half too. And we'll use the hand juice press to press out the juice. And we grab one of the test paper. Next, we will test the lemon. Pour some juice and we put inside the lemon juice for a second. And when we compare to the color chart, this one is pH 3, pH of the bayam. We will plug the lid first. We will squeeze out the juice. Put inside. For 1 second, I will get it out. This one is pH 7. We will take this tomato and cut it into the half. And now we will squeeze the juice. Put inside. This one is pH 5. This lime will press out the juice. We'll compare it here where it was 3. And then this. Put inside the bunch of juice. This one is pH 4. The answer is the one below 7 is acidic because the acidic level is pH 1 to 7. Bye! See you in the next video.